Okay, real quick. Have you, in the last 12 months, fallen for one of these get rich quick guys that came on Facebook? Maybe you saw an ad on YouTube telling you that within a couple months he could build a website for you and that you would make $10,000 per month. You have absolutely no idea how to run a web business, but somehow he's going to show you with Facebook ads how he's going to make you $10,000, $20,000, $40,000 a month by drop shipping or advertising on a one page. Is that you? We need to talk. Probably didn't work, did it? You probably have no idea how to get in touch with this guy. He's taking your money. Get in touch with me. For free, I can show you exactly where you went wrong. I'll teach you the things that he never mentioned to you. And I will show you how to build a business step by step. One that doesn't rely on Facebook advertising, that builds organically. And it may take longer than a year. It may take longer than 2 years. But at the end of that, you are going to see a business that actually makes money. What's it going to cost you? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I want to see you succeed. I get a kick out of helping people that maybe have no idea they want to learn something new and they have no idea what they're doing. I get a kick out of that. So, for a limited number of people, as many as I can help, I'm more than happy to spend as much time as it takes with you. Get in touch with me.